Today, we will talk about how to stay safe at home alone. Let's have a look at the details. You get to stay home alone. You're probably excited, but you also might be a little nervous. That's perfectly normal. You're being faced with new responsibilities. Don't worry, though you can take steps to prevent danger while you're at home, as well as learn what to do if an emergency does happen. The first step is preventing danger. Follow your parents' rules. Your parents want you to stay safe. That's why they have rules. If you're not sure what the rules are, sit down with your parents and write out a list together, so you both have something to refer to. Lock the doors and windows. While break-ins are unusual, they can happen. The best thing you can do is keep the doors and windows locked when you're inside. That way, someone can't just walk in without your permission. Avoid opening the door to people you don't know. If someone comes to the door, it's best to ignore it if you don't know the person. If the person is delivering a package, ask them to leave it or come back later. Don't tell them you're by yourself. Stay away from dangerous items in the house. Even though you're home alone, you don't have free rein to do anything you want. You still need to stay away from dangerous things. Don't play with matches, knives, or guns, for instance. Also, don't take medications unless you know what you're doing. Don't mix chemicals and cleaners you find around the house, as they can create fumes or liquids that can hurt you. Call your parents if you need to. If something happens or you don't know what to do, call your parents or another trusted adult. They can walk you through the situation so you feel safe again. The second step is handling emergencies. Have emergency numbers ready. If something happens, you need to be ready. The main emergency number you need to know is 911 in the United States. They can help with emergencies like fires, someone breaking in, or injuries. Practice what to say during an emergency call. When you call 911, the operator will want to know a few things. They'll want to know where you are and what's wrong. They'll also want to know your phone number so they can call back if needed. Try running through a practice call with your parents. Run through practice emergencies with your parents. If something crazy happens, you may want to panic. Most people do. It's important to stay calm, though. One way you can learn to stay calm is to go over what to do when things happen with your parents ahead of time. Learn where the emergency exits are. You need to be able to know how to get out of your house in different ways. Of course, the back and front doors are good options if there's a fire, though you may need to escape through a window to get to safety. Learn the basics of first aid. If you're at home alone, you need to know how to deal with getting a cut or a burn. If you have a bad cut or burn, you can call 911. But if you're only a little hurt, you can fix it yourself. And the third step is recognizing trouble. Don't go in your house if you see a broken window or open door. If you come home and you see something not right, don't go in the house. A broken window could mean someone is inside. It's better to stay safe. Go to a neighbor or friend's house and call 911. You can even go back to school if you need to. Don't let people you know in if it doesn't feel right. Sometimes, even adults you know may not have good intentions. Trust your gut and call your parents if you're not sure. Check out strange noises. If you hear a noise that's out of the ordinary, you should check it out. If you notice signs of trouble, take action. Pay attention to warning signs. Your home is likely equipped with both smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors. When these go off, don't ignore them. If you don't know what to do, it's best to get out of the house and dial 911 at a neighbor's house. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.